Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews and unboxings. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Apple iPhone 12 mini. Now, if you're in the market for a new phone, this is one you don't want to miss. Here's why. First off, let's talk about the condition of this phone. Despite being pre-owned, it's in excellent condition. It has passed strict selection and professional testing, so you can rest assured that it's in perfect working order. The overall appearance is very good, with only a few minor scratches on the screen or back cover, and some imprints or bruises on the frame. But hey, that's to be expected with a pre-owned phone, right? The display is original and works flawlessly, with no dots, lines, aging, green screen, or red screen. The camera also works perfectly, with no black spots or jams, and adjustable focus. And the best part, all functions of the phone are working properly. Now, when it comes to the bundle options, you have a few choices. The standard package includes the phone and a data cable. But if you want a charger with the phone, you can choose the with charger option. Plus, as a free gift, you'll get a silicone case and a screen protector to keep your new phone looking fresh. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, high-quality smartphone at a fraction of the cost, the Apple iPhone 12 mini is the way to go. And the best part is, you can find it at a great price using the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this deal. Click the link and grab your iPhone 12 mini today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.